Jagoro maduong mar KNUT Collins Oyuu onyiso duol mandiko jopuonj mano Teacher Service Commission mondo ketie tim winjruok mar osara mana kaka nyocha giwinjore. Oyuu olero ni TSC nyaka ndike yo mongirore jopuonj mag JSS maromo 46,000 kochopo dwe mokwongo mar higa manyien. Omedo ni grade mar 9 pod nitiere e skunde primar kendo onge lokruok moro amora moseketi. Ne oloso e nyasi mar ik mar jatelo mar KNUT bade malugari Nation Wambulwa manotimore gwenge malikuyani.
Nikiangalia huku naye Mungu anasema nimewapa.
Get it straight from me that the issues that we shared, the labor issue was one, the implementation of the second phase of the CBA, amended phase. This said double benefits. That second phase, in whichever way, was an opening for discussion of a new CBA, and we have already started. We have presented a memorandum to TSC, and we want to make sure that this time round, it shall not be a maternity CBA as it was. Hawa vijana wa interns, the 46,000. Mheshimiwa bado nakushukuru. The 46,000 come rain, come shine, must be confirmed as permanent and pensionable by January next year. And we shall see to see it. If not so, then hell might break loose.